Let your work speak for itself is the fastest way to kill your career in 2025. I spent 5 years following that advice. I delivered billion-dollar campaigns, managed global teams, hit every target. I was the reliable one, the one who got things done. What happened? Less qualified people kept getting promoted over me. And meanwhile, AI is changing everything. Companies are automating processes, streamlining operations, and making decisions faster than ever. And if you are sitting there waiting for your excellent work to be noticed, you are about to become invisible. I am Bahar Selman. After coaching over hundreds of professionals through career transitions and leading marketing teams for billion-dollar brands, I have discovered something that challenges everything you believe about career success. In this video, I will show you why the good work speaks for itself mentality is career suicide in the AI era, 3 types of professionals emerging from this transformation, and the exact strategy that's helping my clients get promoted while colleagues get replaced. In the AI era, there are 3 types of professionals. And the type of professional you choose to be, consciously or subconsciously, will determine whether you get promoted or replaced in the next couple of years. After analyzing hundreds of career transitions during this AI transformation, I have discovered that professionals fall into 3 distinct categories. 70% of the professionals, I call them invisible experts. They are the let my work speak for itself people. They are incredibly skilled, deliver excellent results, but they are invisible. They think expertise alone will protect them. They are not adapting to AI. Maybe they're hoping it won't affect their role. They don't build personal brands, they don't engage in industry conversations, and they rarely speak up in strategic meetings. 90% of the professionals, I call them the panicked pivots. These are people see AI coming and they are terrified. So they are making reactive moves, trying to become AI experts overnight, completely abandoning their domain expertise. They are so focused on becoming technically relevant that they are abandoning their greatest skills, their industry knowledge, their relationships, their strategic thinking. Only 10% of the professionals, I call them the strategic amplifiers. These professionals see AI as a superpower for their existing skills. They are not trying to compete with AI, but instead, they are learning to dance with it. They use AI to amplify their strategic thinking, enhance their communication, and free up time for high-value activities like relationship building, innovation, and most importantly, they are visible about their strategic value. Which brings me to the most important strategy I'm going to share with you today. Something I call the visibility first career framework. 3 levels of professional visibility. Level 1 is internal recognition. This is being known and valued within your organization. But here is the twist. It's not about being the person who gets things done. It's about being the person who gets strategic things done and communicates their impact. AI can help you here. You can use it to create better presentations, analyze your project impacts, and articulate your contributions more clearly. But the key is making sure the right people understand your strategic value. Level 2, industry visibility. This is being recognized in your industry as someone with valuable insights. In the AI era, this is career insurance. If your company restructures, industry visibility means opportunities come to you. Level 3, thought leadership. This is being seen as someone who shapes industry conversations, not just participates in them. At this level, you are not looking for opportunities. Opportunities are competing for you. Here is what's exciting. AI can accelerate every level of this framework. It can help you analyze your achievements and articulate your impact more clearly, create compelling content that showcase your experience, research industry trends and add your unique perspective, drafting presentations, articles, social media posts, identifying networking opportunities, and preparing for conversations. Most professionals think, I will build my skills, then I will build my visibility. But in the AI era, you need to flip that. Build your visibility while you build your skills. Because if people don't know you are growing, they assume that you are staying the same. I know some of you are thinking, this sounds like a self-promotion, and I am not comfortable with that. I felt exactly the same way. But Here is what I learned. There is a huge difference between self-promotion and strategic positioning. Self-promotion is saying, look how great I am. On the other end, strategic positioning is saying, here is what I have learned, might help you. One is about you, the other one is about value creation. And that value creation, what makes you irreplaceable in the AI era. Now, let me give you the exact blueprint that's helping my clients not just survive the AI transformation, but accelerate their careers. Pillar number 1, it's about becoming an expert who uses AI strategically. Learn to use AI tools to enhance your core competencies, accelerate your analysis, and free up time for high-value activities. For example, if you're in marketing, use AI to analyze your campaign data faster, but focus your time on strategic creative direction and stakeholder relationships. If you're in finance, use AI for modeling, but focus on strategic recommendations and business partnering. Pillar 2, strategic network intelligence. In the AI era, your network is not just about who you know, it's about who knows what you are capable of. Use AI to identify key industry players, research their interests, and prepare for meaningful conversations. But here is the crucial part. Use those conversations to share insights, not ask for favors. Position yourself as someone who adds value to other people's thinking. Pillar 3, visible value creation. This is systematically documenting and sharing your strategic contributions. Use AI to help you to create studies, write articles, and prepare presentations. But make sure you are highlighting the strategic thinking, not just the execution. You don't need a massive transformation. Start with this 90-day plan. In the first 30 days, I want you to choose one AI tool relevant to your role and master it. Document the impact on your productivity and your results. In your second month, share one insight per week about your experience integrating AI into your work. In the last month, identify 3 industry leaders doing interesting work with AI and start meaningful conversations with them. This is not about becoming a different person. This is about strategically positioning the person you already are. So let's bring this together. You understand why letting your work speak for itself is career suicide in the AI era. You have the 3 types of professionals emerging from this transformation. And you have the complete visibility first framework to position yourself strategically. But here is the reality. Knowing this information does not change your career. Acting on it, it does. The professionals who are getting promoted right now, while others are replaced, they are not more skilled, they are strategically visible about their value. The AI transformation is already here. Every day you wait to position yourself strategically is another day your competitors are getting ahead. Thank you for making the same choice today. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.